Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Pool Opening 2026, Part 2, Removing the Plugs and Installing the Jets. It is the same day as I had recorded Part 1, removing the cover and removing the leaf nets and the cover. The rain let up, and we should be good to go for the rest of the day. So now, delayed by several hours, I get to carry on with this. All right, let's take a look at the pool quick, and then we'll get right into it. No, not the pool. That's a few weeks out. Well, week and a half. We've made some headway in filling. I'll leave it run for now until it's time to get everything going. But we got one little thing we got to take care of first. Where are we? Here, in the corner, the liner lock bead has come out. So you just got to kind of bang it back in. It may be stretched to the point where it can't do it anymore. This came out over here last year also, if I recall. There we go. He's back in, we're good to go. Now, of course, it goes without saying that everybody's pool is different, so I can only show you what I do. This fitting over here is for the Polaris Robot Vacuum. Normally, you're going to remove that plug and then install the universal wall fitting. Well, mine is knackered. It has been for years. So I've just been screwing it in. I have a replacement. I just haven't bothered to put it on because they just always go bad. So I just screw it in when I need it, and that's it. So really here, we just remove the plug. Don't drop it in the pool because then you got to fish it out. Okay? Loosen the wing nut. And the plug comes out. Keep that crap out of the pool, and then we'll move on. So now we have to install the eyeball fittings. They call them that because they look like eyeballs. Very simple, same story here. Loosen the wing nut. Plug comes out, and now you want to screw this in. Now, maybe you can see the contour of it and how it kind of points upward. You want the water to come out pointing upward, because the idea is this blows the water, so to speak, across the top of the pool. Any floating debris will make its way down to the other end of the pool where the skimmers are, so the top can be skimmed. Okay, makes sense. It's actually pretty plain language. This simply screws in. Again, you don't want to cross the threads or drop it in the pool. Now, this one ends up landing perfectly where the eyeball is pointing up. If yours doesn't, that's okay. You just make it so the eyeball points up. Now, you can take this apart with pliers and all that. You're going to end up messing it up. So what I do is you just screw it in all the way until it stops, and then back it off so it's pointing up. We're going to continue on with the other two, the exact same thing. just make it point up. If it's not tight, it doesn't matter. You might get a tiny bit of leakage out of the threads. You'll never even feel it or see it. It won't make any difference in the end. Just make it point up is all you got to do. So I've done the center jet. I'll take this plug out. Sometimes you got to work at them. It's loose, but it's not making its way out, but it's coming. There we go. There it is. One more. And we'll screw that down and see what that gives us. Yeah, see, that's pointing that way. That ain't going to work at all. So you just turn it back. Somewhere around that. Now we'll move on to the stair jets. Okay, now at the stair jets, again, you take out the plug, which is kind of not in there too good. That's straight. Okay. Good enough. Now the stair jets are in two pieces. You have this piece, and you have this piece. You got to start with this one. Now, just like in real life, where the bulge is at the tip of it is where it goes in. You fellas know what I'm talking about here. So what you do is you just take this here and you just jam it in the hole. Okay? I just want to demonstrate this a few times to you. Just jam it in the hole. Just like that, okay? Now that you have it in there, you're going to take this piece here. This I like to call the keeper. Now, if your wife ever pulls you up and says that she filed for a divorce, the first thing you want to do is run and get the car, because she's going to get the house. That's why we call them housekeepers. So with this, see, it's a ring, okay? And what you have to do here is put this over that, and then using these protrusions, or tits as we call them in the business, you're going to keep fondling these tits until it gets screwed. Sometimes it's tough to get started. You know how that goes. Oh, it's still not started. So we gotta work at it. It'll get there. And of course, you don't want to cross thread this, that would be really bad. Keep fondling those tits. Until it gets screwed. Now, you point that way, going into the pool. You're supposed to for some reason. I don't know why. It makes it look cool later in the video. I have one more stair jet to do, the exact same thing as I just did. And that pretty much is going to be it as far as removing the plugs and installing the jets. This is a very easy process. The next process is hooking up the pumps. That's the part I hate, but it's got to get done. We'll see you in the next part. Thanks so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Make sure you click like. Make sure you click subscribe. And take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.